Are you really good at what you do, whether you're a corporate professional or an entrepreneur? But when it comes to your travel wardrobe, you get ready to go on that trip, whether it's professional or whether it's personal, and it just feels overwhelming. And you're always kind of questioning, wondering, I always feel like I'm missing pieces, or you get to your destination and things just feel off. Hi, I'm Annette Bond, certified image consultant, and I help successful, smart women just like you, helping you to travel with ease, getting a wardrobe together that feels simple, it feels streamlined, it feels confident. It is planned ahead of time so that you know once you get to your destination, you don't even have to worry about your clothes because you know you have everything that you need. I want to welcome you to part 4 of my 5-part series, Travel Wardrobe Tips. And today I want to talk about accessories. What are those little pieces that will make your trip so much easier and that you're not feeling like the bag lady, or you're not feeling like you're questioning if you're put together because you have all the right pieces. So I want to first talk about bags. And I'm going to share just my personal experience on how I like to travel and some tips for you to think about on how you like to do life and what feels easy for you. So the first thing I'm going to share with you is I have just a great shoulder bag. And I'm sure you have something like this that you use for business. And I tend to use this for both business and pleasure. I love it because it has front pockets. When I'm on an airplane, I can tuck my phone in here, but it's also roomy enough for my laptop. But again, I use it for casual. It's just a great, great bag. So sometimes it's just having those pieces that you know when you get ready for your trip that you can just grab and go, right? Okay, another bag I love, and I tend to use this more for casual. This is a little backpack. And honestly, I picked this up one day. I don't know if I was at Marshall's or I was at Ross, but it was just cute. And it's perfect, again, for the airplane. But what I'm also loving it when I'm on vacation, a casual trip, is that I can use this to put all my necessities and I can have my hands free. So I love that. So I'm not carrying a purse, but I am carrying a little backpack, and I love this. So backpacks they're a big thing, and you can get some really fabulous, stylish, designer kind of looks or something a little more casual. Okay, I have just purchased something recently that I love. And this, I'm showing this because it is a crossbody, but it is called a phone organizer. So it's to keep my phone, but again, my credit cards. It's when I don't want to carry a purse. I don't need that. I want it to be simple. I want it to be organized and streamlined. And I love this because it's beautiful. It's leather, so it is a little bit elevated. There's lots of different price ranges in these phone organizers. So I got it more as simplicity, again, hands-free. But what I love about it is that you could also put it in one of your bags as a real ease. Okay, another accessory I use, because we go on vacation doesn't mean that we still don't want to be put together. So this is a jewelry organizer. Again, it's super simple. It can take that great outfit when you have the right earrings, when you have the necklace, your bracelets, your watches, and they all go in this bag so nice and neatly. And you know what's funny? These are even labeled where to put the earrings, where to put the chains, the bangles. So I love that. It's super organized. It's always ready to go. And the thing about jewelry is it doesn't take up a lot of room, right? My last piece I always love having, especially when I'm on an airplane, is some kind of wrap. And what I love is that it kind of acts, you know, when you're on an airplane, it's cool, or we're in the summer months and maybe you have on a little black dress, you're at a business event, but you still need a little something because you're indoors and all the air conditioning. So this little wrap really doubles as an accessory instead of wearing a coat. But it also doubles as a warmth when you're on an airplane. So I hope you've enjoyed these tips, these travel tips with accessories. Again, this is part 4 of a 5-part series. And I hope you will join me next week where I'm gonna kind of take all the tips I've shared with you over the last 4 weeks, and we're going to talk about what are those pieces of clothing that you need to bring, the minimalist pieces to create the most variety of outfits. And I want to invite you, if you have been watching this series and you're thinking, Annette, I need your help. I am unorganized with packing for a trip or just simply in your wardrobe in general, and you need for it to feel more refined, more elegant, more streamlined. I would love to offer you a free 60-minute Get Dressed with Ease breakthrough session. And we'll discuss your challenges. What's going on? We'll discuss what have you tried that's not working. And then we'll talk about what is your next steps. What's a strategy that would work for you? So I want to invite you to AnnetteBond.com/contact, where you can sign up for your 60-minute Get Dressed with Ease breakthrough session. And I will see you next week for part 5 of the travel wardrobe tips.